There's no denying that Terra Luna Classic has had a very tough couple of days, but the good news is, right now let's focus on the good news here, because I mean, without the good news, I don't know where we would be. The good news is Terra Luna Classic is just reaching the major levels of support that we saw last week before that little mini rally that we had, while all other cryptocurrencies out there are falling in fantastic fashion. Shiba Inu coin touching major concerning lows. You've got Polygon's Matic dying 30% in a single day. Bitcoin dropping back down and touching 25,000. Ethereum down and touching fresh recent lows. But Terra Luna Classic holding at these levels that we just saw last week. Now, I do believe that that is because we saw that little rally where we went from 8,000 points per coin up to about 10, 11,000 points per coin. So we had a little bit of a cushion that some of the other cryptocurrency projects may not have had. But I want to focus on the good in this video. It has nothing to do with the overall environment. It has nothing to do with the SEC or Gary Gensler. It has everything to do with the fact that Terra Luna Classic continues to develop and continues to innovate despite all of this. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, where you could buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And look, I can't tell you what to do, but I highly suggest doing something with the SEC on the just tyrannical, over abusive power reach trip, whatever you want to call it, that they are on right now. And, make sure your money stays your money. Guys, we've got a great headline. We went over this before, but I want to break it down and kind of show you that this is better news than just meets the surface, right? We've got a great article by CoinGape out there. The headline, Terra Luna Classic staking officially hits 1 trillion LUNC, and we've already burned 63 billion Terra Luna Classic. We'll briefly read a couple excerpts from this article, and I'm going to jump into some more of the Terra Luna Classic community pool numbers and the burn numbers, just to show you that despite everything going on, okay, despite the SEC acting a fool, despite Gary Gensler making a clown out of himself, despite all of this nonsense in the crypto space, these projects continue to build and innovate. Why? The SEC doesn't dictate their success. These are decentralized communities and decentralized projects from all over the world, not just the United States. How can you control something in which you have no jurisdiction? And that is a question directly to Gary. So Gary, if you're watching this, please answer. LUNC News, Terra Classic staking reaches historic milestone of 1 trillion and the LUNC burn rises to 63 billion. Now, in Terra Luna Classic news, staking has officially reached 1 trillion, hitting a historic milestone. The community has long waited enough for this historic achievement after Professor Edward Kim, lead developer, introduced staking to Terra Classic last year. The total LUNC staked stands at over 1 trillion, worth nearly 100 million US dollars, with the staking ratio hitting an all-time high of 14.61%. Thus, the circulating supply of Terra Luna Classic LUNC has now reduced to 5.8 trillion from the total of 6.84 trillion. Interest in Terra Luna Classic grows as more users staked LUNC tokens on the chain for rewards with the V2.1.0 parity upgrade, USTC repeg, AI app block entropy, and Terraport Dex, the relaunch of that Dex. I'm not too excited about that one, but nonetheless, the author of this article is. And the community is more optimistic about the Terra Luna Classic revival. Now, touching on those points, this does go to show you, with Edward Kim building this AI blockchain, with Terra Luna Classic staking at an all-time high right now, this could be due to a couple reasons. One, the price is back down to some major lows and some major levels of support. Two, people are simply forced into these long-term holds because they know that their position is much, much higher than the current price, and therefore they need to see Terra Luna Classic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x before they break even and are in the green again. It could simply be because we see so much focus on the future right now that people absolutely are confident that Terra Luna Classic is going to not only survive, but thrive. So I don't know the reason we're seeing staking move so high. It could be for a variety of these reasons or a combination of these reasons as well. But we do know that staking is at an all-time high. And I often like to look to numbers like these because interpretations of the numbers can differ. You know, one guy thinks that Terra Luna Classic is moving higher because of this, and another thinks because of this. The common denominator is that Terra Luna Classic would be moving higher in that situation. The exact same thing stands true for Terra Luna Classic staking. I don't know why. You might be staking for a different reason than somebody else is staking, but regardless, the staking numbers are at all-time highs right now, which is a huge benefit for the entire Terra Luna Classic blockchain, community, and future. If you look at those burn numbers, right, we are seeing a drastic increase in the burn numbers because of the Terra Luna Classic tax. Now, I'm not going to go through and read through all these numbers again, but most recently, June 11th, we burned 31 million LUNC. On June 11th, we added 10 million Terra Luna Classic to the community pool. Guys, these numbers have gone from an average of about 10 million burns to roughly 40 to 50 million Terra Luna Classic being burned on a daily basis. The numbers have gone from roughly 4 or 5 million Terra Luna Classic added to the community pool to about 15, 16 million Terra Luna Classic being added to the community pool. Not only does this ensure that we will continue to reduce the supply long term as people stake their Terra Luna Classic, it shows you that we will have enough LUNC available in the community pool to continue funding the Layer 1 development team's work and potentially add new development teams to the mix, or potentially add new funding protocols to the mix. Terra Luna Classic as a blockchain and as an ecosystem still looks very good right now. The overall economy, the overall crypto environment, and the overall cryptocurrency market is what is dragging prices down and what is causing all of the concern. I believe in LUNC at this point of the game. I want to know if you guys believe in LUNC at this point of the game. Let us know down in the comments, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.